Hi, this is Cesar with LaView Security. Today, we'll be going over how to set up your LaView 1 Series PT camera. Let's open your box. Inside, you will find the following: 1 PT, LaView envelope, which will include your quick start guide, user manual, warranty card, and stickers. USB power cable. Mounting accessories. Place your camera in the desired location. Plug in the power cable to the back of the PT cam. Remember that the 1 PT connects via Wi-Fi, but you may choose to directly connect to your router with an Ethernet cable. Move the lens housing up to insert the micro SD card. This will allow your camera to record locally. We'll cover cloud storage later. Press and hold the reset button for up to 10 seconds until you hear the 2 beeps. The status light will flash blue and red when ready. We are ready to activate your PT cam. Let's open the LaView One app. You must log in or create an account. Click on Add a Device. Tap on Scan QR Code, which will allow you to scan the QR code that is in the bottom of your PT cam. Your app will identify your new device. Tap on the Connect to a Network. Your mobile device must be connected to the same Wi-Fi as your PT cam. After the setup, you can access your camera from anywhere. Enter your password. Your device must be within 2 inches of the camera for it to sync. Remember to adjust your device to a high volume. Tap on Send Sound Wave. Once it's connected, you're ready to view and control your 1 PT. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact our support team.